This is one of the many specialty grouting things that MudTech does. This is a combination of pavement repair and foundation repair. So what happens here is, what I'm doing here is I'm repairing the frost wall underneath this garage floor. And why this occurs, what's happening here is the cement blocks are literally rotted out. See here, look how soft this is. No, I'm not super strong. The cement block is just that soft because years of salt coming towards this frost wall has rotted out the block. And the reason that happens is the asphalt starts dipping down towards the foundation. You can see that here by this homeowner's repair attempt. If I can move this piece up, see the layer of asphalt here? This was the layer he put on top to wedge up the difference. You can see the little thin line here where the original asphalt was nosediving down towards the frost wall. So this isn't even a bad one. I've seen some where every core of every block is blown out like those. It looks like somebody dropped a grenade down in the core of each block. The first time I saw that, I was like, what kind of black magic is this? And then I figured it out with the blocks getting deteriorated by the salt. And then a lot of times the blocks explode when they get full of water and then freeze because there's no heat generally in a garage. And it's really easy for water to get down into that 3, 4, sometimes 5 foot deep frost wall. I've seen deeper and I've seen shallower and I've seen no frost wall. But what we're doing then is we're gonna come pump a sand cement slurry under here, strengthening the frost wall. And I got a couple holes along the backside just in case there's a hollow void. We're gonna fill that in too while we're here. And then another paving company they're gonna rip out this driveway and they're gonna repave the whole thing. So they'll have a brand new driveway and a solid footing here for the garage. And I've seen this only a handful of times, but what can happen if you don't get after this, when it's in this kind of condition, you'll get an oval shaped crack that develops and this whole piece will sink down. I've seen it where a guy drove a 3500 size truck into his garage and just got about here and went doof. It only dropped like 6 inches, but still it caused severe damage to his garage floor and a heck of a lot more work. We're gonna get this one going for this guy and get his place solid again. MudTech out.